Hi mga kapuso, this is JM.
Hello mga kapuso, this is Patrick.
And let's go countdown
Down
with us. Number 5. It's really tiring yung piece namin this time. Wala siyang break. Kumbaga,
Malala.
I wouldn't say na sobrang daming mga lift or whatever. Parang nakafocus kami this time sa dance mismo, sa choreography, and wala talagang break time.
Oh, like as in tuloy-tuloy siya the whole time from the very very start niya, like sabog agad.
Totoo.
Tapos kasi manok kami doon. So
Yes.
parang alam mo yun, kailangan namin i-embody yung as
Pagiging
manok.
manok.
Oo.
Pagiging-
Tapos medyo lang din talaga na yun nga, sa sobrang tuloy-tuloy. So kailangan mo talaga lumaban.
We're doing dancehall this episode.
Yeah.
It's a dance from Jamaica.
Yes, sobrang hindi rin siya biro talaga.
Yeah, hindi siya joke. Kumbaga yung choreo, kailangan mo talagang gamitin yung buong katawan mo.
Yeah, it takes time para maaral mo yung pyesa talaga.
And also thinking about how to perform it. Diba?
Yep.
Parang
Yeah.
napakahirap din na isipin na may kailangan kang character na i-portray
Yes.
habang nahihirapan ka sumayaw.
Oh.
So ayun. Number 4. Oh,
Working-
ako so far nag-enjoy ako sa rehearsals namin.
Yeah.
It's just more of like, kasi nga matagal na kami magkakilala
Yep.
ni Patrick, and so very comfortable na kami sa isa't isa.
Hindi naman totally nahirapan. Kumbaga lang, kung paano lang i-execute talaga ng
Oo.
sobra yung pyesa namin. Kasi ilang beses mo rin siya sasayuin eh. So,
Totoo.
hingal din talaga siya for us.
Number 3. Ay,
Struggles.
Struggles. Marami
Siguro, pinaka number 1 namin is yung
headdress.
headdress.
Kasi na-inform naman kami na gagawin namin yun, na
Kasi
may headdress
as
kami.
manok kasi kami.
Oo, syempre, ayun nga, na kailangan ma-portray namin yung character. So, feeling ko, yun nga, being yung sayo namin, very magalaw, very grounded, very maraming floor.
Yes, marami rin siyang ulo.
Oo, maulo. Kaya ang
technically-
hirap na i-balance everything.
Opo.
As in, literal chicken inasal na kami after, babe. Chicken
Tapos,
inasal
meron pang yung pinaka last part namin, yung buhat. Grabe, yung bubuhatin ko si Jem, tapos biglang boom, drop ka agad. Ganun ako nun.
Wala na talaga. Number 2!
Coach
Of course,
April.
if hindi nyo po alam, si Coach April ay isa sa mga pinakamagaling na dancehall choreographer here in the Philippines, and I would say also in one of the best dancer in the world. And I just know na whatever she prepared for us, talagang 100% quality. Yeah,
Exactly.
we're just really really excited to kill it for her.
Yeah.
Not just us, for the people, but also for her na
Yeah.
nagtrabaho for this. Number 1. I am super
I think
ready.
we're ready para
Super duper
maging
ready.
manok sa stage.
Correct.
Sisirain namin yung stage gamit yung tuka namin.
Yes. And I'm just really excited na, again, mapalad po ako na nabigyan ulit ako ng style na
Yeah.
comfortable ako.
After
and
so
may
many
knowledge ako.
episodes.
I know. Bye!